sort at one point. I'm finding where some paint has various other parts right in here, right on my table. This is all parts of the engine, drivetrain that will have to, that will be put back on the engine at some point. The old seat here is usable, but in kind of bad shape. I can buy just a cover for that if I need to. It's the very front end of it that has the headlight and the speedometer in it. All the parts are there. It's going to be totally refurbished. There's the ignition key and the air cleaner. Going to have to get a new air filter and maybe a new hose to put on that, although that's not critical. Back shocks are, I'm not quite sure how I'm going to fix that. Not quite sure how it would come apart. There's a little damage on there, but there's somehow to do that, and I'll be finding that out. Front springs and shocks. This is the thing that cost a lot of money. Right, $35 a piece for these. I haven't decided to buy those yet. Maybe that could be Christmas gifts for me. And a few other miscellaneous part of the engine cover and some parts off the front fork. Not quite sure what that is, but this is part of the front. It goes over the front forks also. And this is a brace that does that, and this is a big plastic grommet that goes over that also. So they're all right here in visible sight. This is part of the exhaust where it attaches to the engine. And by the way, here are the exhaust pipes that have been cleaned but are really in kind of bad shape, but at least they're looking better as of the moment. And the front, let's say the handlebars, which are in kind of bad shape, but I can buy a new one of those for not very much money, and I might wind up doing that.